Oh, yeah. It's here somewhere. Ah, the tank is here, yes. Good morning, Vietnam. I'm going finally to the Museum of Fishing in Tutrakan. It should be open now. It's around 8 o'clock, 8:10. Then I'll go to Srebarna, which is a national park for birds, and then to Silistra, to the historical museum, and then to Dobrich. There's the house museum of Yordan, Yovkov, a Bulgarian writer, and I'll visit Kavarna. There's a regional museum, history museum too, and after that I'll go to Balchik. So here's the museum up there. Let's go visit the place. So here it is, the stamp from the fishing museum in Tutrakan. My mission is complete. So now I'm heading to Srebarna to see what do we have there. So the museum has been found in 1974. It has several halls full of fishing gear, rods, nets, boats, and a lot more. There is also a recreation of fisherman's workshop and their traditionally furnished room. It's great. Even an actual fisherman could learn a few things here. It was cool. So go to Silistra. Saint Conti. So here is my exit. I almost missed it. Please, let there be no dogs. Ooh, that's pretty. So here's the stamp from the National Park of Srebarna. And Srebarna was cool. The lake and everything. It's full of birds. The museum. And in the lake there were swans. And also I think I saw pelicans. And I should say that it's a cool place. So Silistra, 14 kilometers. Hi, Demir. Okay. I cop the road to Silistra. I decided to check one extra destination here in Silistra, the ancient Roman city of Durostorum-Drustar, or what's left of it. And after that I'll head to the museum. Okay, so now it's here somewhere. Ah, the tank is here, yes. So I visited the Durostorum-Drustar ancient Roman city. It's not that big. Actually, it's ruins now, walls and stuff. It's not bad. Everything that is Roman is interesting. So I have to go now to the museum, and it's here somewhere. Let's see. So here it is, the stamp from the Historical Museum of Silistra. My job is actually done here. To be honest, the museum is unexpectedly good. There's so much stuff, ceramics and marble statues, a giant carriage recreated from Roman times. And there's a treasure room with a lot of coins and golden, let's say, belongings, but they're really well made. I did not expect that much beautiful stuff to be here. It was so surprising. So here now, on my left side, there's a wall built from metal mesh and stakes. What is beyond that wall, in that direction, is actually Romania. So I'm around 4 meters away from Romania. Here, Rosetta Labs. So this is the stamp from Dobrich, the house memorial of Yordan Yovkov. So as I finished here, I'm heading to Kavarna to catch the museum there. So here what I found is pretty big amount of books of Yordan Yovkov, some of his personal belongings. They recreated his working place with a big desk and typewriter machine. Also they had a part with the art of Dobrich, another Bulgarian poet, very famous also from this part of the country. The third aspect of the exhibition was linked to the man that actually brought the ballet to Bulgaria, Anastas Petrov, who happens to be also a resident of Dobrich. There were a lot of his costumes from some of his acts. There were sketches of his brother, of ballerinas. Really cool. So that's the road to Kavarna. We're getting to the sea, getting to the sea. Here I should catch to Durankulak. Okay, we're going with the right track. Another bikers. Cool. Here somewhere is the exit to one of the most amazing routes. It's probably this one here. I'm not exactly sure. I have to check it. If it says Topola, yes, this is the exit actually. Well, I'll catch it on my way back to Balchik. Let's now find the exit to Kavarna. This should be the one, Kavarna, yes. Hello, Kavarna. Now I'm for the first time here. Hello. Please let there be no dogs, no dogs. Here's the stamp from Historical Museum of Kavarna. So the museum here wasn't that big. It contains things that were found in the region and mostly ceramics and some marble stuff, and they have a guest exhibition that is from North Korea actually, which is strange. So let's go! See the sea. Okay, oh, a lot of wind generators up there. And be my guest. Oh, huh? Ho ho. Oh ho ho. Oh. Ho 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 ho. I can't say anything. So cool, man. So hello, Balchik. Oh man, that was... I'm so unhappy now that I can't ride this road for the first time again. Here's the stamp from the castle, and here's the stamp from the Botanic Garden. So what I'm going to say about the Botanic Garden: it's cool, it's cool, it's wild, I like it. It's well maintained, I like it. About the castle, well, it's a bit I don't know. It's I'm not saying that it's bad, but it's just a little bit less than you expected. And with these pictures from the both places, the Botanic Garden and the palace, the episode goes to its end. It was a cool experience. Now I'm heading to Kranovo, where I will spend the night. So I'm going to wrap it up, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, crazy dog. Oh, earlier a dog tried to catch me here somewhere. I hope it won't try again. Oh yes, there it is. No chances for a poor bastard.